Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2021 32 Vantage. This is one of our best-selling boats. It does everything great. It's powered by the new Mercury Verado 300s. It's perfect engines for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 32 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's got their patented seat in the back. It's a real comfortable seat if you're just going out for a cruise, going for a sunset, going to lunch or dinner. It does all that very well. But if you're fishing, just fold it right up. It's out of the way, so it's perfect. On this side of the boat, you've got a real comfortable seat. When I lift this up, you've got the ladder that's inside. It goes to the dive door, and it also has a dedicated storage for the table as well. So a very nice feature here. Over on the starboard side, the dive door is fantastic. It's the safest way to get on the boat. So if you're on a floating dock, it's one level. You can just walk straight on it and not get on the back of the boat. So very neat on that. As far as fishing, when you catch a fish and you're bringing him over the gunnel, a lot of times when you get him out of the water, he falls back in. This way you can just drag him in, put him right into the fish box, you're going to catch him every time. So very nice option on the 32 Vantage. And back to the fishing again, we got a very convenient, good sized live well. Doubles as a cooler as well, so nice feature here. Little galley setup, little prep station. You've got a refrigerator with a little freezer in it. And again, this seat does a little bit of everything. This will actually fold all the way down. And then this can fold up. So then this seat here, hydraulic, so it can go up and down. So if you're short, you got two people very comfortable, it'll go up or down all hydraulically, which is really nice. And then you get the little room. If you run into some weather and you got to get out of the weather, you can down below. It can set up as a little bed down below. So either that or it doubles as good storage. It's got strata glass that covers the entire cockpit area. So if you are into some bad weather, you're completely enclosed, really, and it's strata glass, it's not isinglass, so it's the thicker stuff. Really nice material. Then over on the helm, we've got the joystick. So the joystick, I can dock this boat anywhere I want at any time. It's that easy. I can go sideways with it. I've got full control of it. Also has sky hook, so if I'm going to go in front of the sunset, hit the sky hook button, it locks me into the GPS, point at the sun, we can go up front, have a glass of wine up front. Real nice, and we're pointing at the sun the whole time, which is a great way for sunset. Also has autopilot and auto heading. It's a point and shoot, the easiest system on the water. Digital throttle and ship, very large Marine, and then you've got the Smart Craft, which is a large screen here as well. VHF radio, and then you've got the head. Really good size head. So you've got a skylight in here, so it gives you some extra daylight in there. Nice feature there. And then the bow area, you've got a huge sun pad set up. So you can put a lot of people up here very comfortably, just hanging out up here, armrests and everything. And if not, you can lift the filler cushions up. And then as we move to the bow, we've got two things. You've got the recessed windlass, and then you also have the beachboarding ladder. So you can drive up to the beach, get on and off the boat from the front. It's fantastic. It's got the Sure Shade on the hardtop. It's got radar. It's got a spotlight. Boat has everything. So if you got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.